Hi everyone, and welcome to the Droidy channel. In today's video, we'll be addressing a common issue, an Android phone getting stuck on the camera screen. The camera app on our smartphones allows us to capture life's beautiful moments and interesting sights, and then share them with others. However, imagine this scenario: you want to capture a specific moment, so you open your phone's camera app, only to find that your Android camera has frozen. You can't take photos or perform any other actions. The screen simply displays a blank black image or some garbled visuals. What should you do when this happens? If you're unsure how to fix an Android phone that is stuck in camera mode, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to help you resolve this issue. This video applies to a wide range of phone models, including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please watch this video through to the end. If you're wondering why your phone keeps getting stuck on the camera screen, let us explain. Typically, there are several reasons why the camera keeps freezing on an Android phone. Software glitches, malfunctions within the Android operating system itself can sometimes interfere with the camera's operation. Third-party app interference, apps you've installed from third-party sources may occasionally cause the camera to freeze upon opening. Camera app issues, problems with the native camera app itself, or issues with its cache data, can also trigger this problem. And finally, hardware issues, physical damage, such as dropping the phone or exposing it to water, can lead to malfunctions in the camera hardware or related components. Now, it's time to get ready to fix the camera stuck issue on your Android phone. Resolving this isn't difficult. Simply follow my steps to successfully force stop the camera process on your device. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, or leaving a comment to let us know which specific method worked for you. Method 1. Force restart your phone. If your Android camera gets stuck while you're trying to take pictures, and you find yourself unable to perform any actions on the device, you can try performing a force restart. A force restart helps clear out software glitches within the Android system and restores your phone to its optimal operating state. Therefore, force restarting is a highly effective and necessary step. Please follow the steps below to attempt a force restart on your Android phone. You will need to press and hold the specific key combination designated for force restarting your device. On the Samsung phone shown in this video, the key combination for a hard restart is the power button combined with the volume down button. Please press and hold this key combination for 10 to 15 seconds. Once the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, you can release the buttons. Your phone will then automatically restart. Once the restart is complete, reopen the camera app to see if the issue, where the camera app keeps crashing, has been resolved. Method 2. Clear the camera cache. When issues arise with the camera cache, it can interfere with the operation of the Android device's camera app, leading to the camera freezing up on your Android phone. To determine if a cache issue is the culprit, try clearing the camera cache. Here are the steps to do so. Long press the camera app icon, then tap the I button to open the app info menu. Within the camera app info menu, scroll down to find and tap storage, then tap clear cache at the bottom of the screen. Once finished, try using the camera again. If you are concerned that clearing the cache alone might not be sufficient, you can also select the clear data option to remove all cache data associated with the camera. If the problem was indeed caused by a corrupted cache, this action should resolve the issue of your Android phone freezing when opening the camera. Method 3. Uninstall third-party camera apps. If you have downloaded and installed third-party camera apps on your Android phone, it is highly likely that one of these apps is interfering with the native Android camera app. Incompatibilities or permission conflicts between these apps can often lead to the camera constantly crashing, even when no other apps appear to be running. Therefore, you should uninstall all third-party camera apps. After removing them, restart your phone. This should allow your camera to return to normal operation. Method 4. Troubleshoot third-party apps. The issue of an Android phone getting stuck on the camera screen may also be caused by other third-party applications, even if it is not immediately obvious which specific app is at fault. To identify the culprit, you will need to boot your phone into safe mode. Safe mode disables all third-party applications, making it an essential tool for troubleshooting app-related issues. If the problem, where the Android phone gets stuck on the camera, does not occur while in safe mode, it indicates that a third-party application is indeed the cause. To enable safe mode, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the power options screen appears. On the power options screen, tap and hold the power off icon until the safe mode option appears on the screen. Once safe mode appears, tap it. Your phone will then restart and boot back to the home screen in safe mode. Please wait patiently for this process to complete. While in safe mode, open and use the camera app again. If it functions normally, this confirms that a third-party application is causing the problem. You will then need to uninstall your downloaded third-party apps one by one, testing the camera after each uninstallation to identify the specific app responsible. Finally, to exit safe mode, simply restart your Android phone as you normally would. Method 5. Update the Android operating system. If you encounter a situation where your Android phone camera keeps getting stuck, you can also go to settings to check if there are any new Android operating system updates available. If there are, the OS update may contain patches for critical camera bugs. Therefore, try updating your Android operating system. Please follow these steps. Open Settings, scroll down the Settings interface to find and select Software Update. Then, check to see if there are any pending updates. If so, download and install the software update immediately. Method 6. Perform a hard reset on your Android device. Performing a hard reset on an Android phone can resolve software-related issues. If the problem, where the camera keeps freezing on your Android phone, is caused by a software glitch, a hard reset should fix it. However, a hard reset is a drastic measure. It will delete all data on your phone, restoring it to its original factory state. Therefore, if you have important data on your phone, please back it up before proceeding with the reset. Next, please follow the steps below. To reset your Android phone, first tap Settings. Once inside Settings, find and tap General Management. Within the General Management interface, locate the Reset option, tap it, and then select Factory Data Reset. At this point, your Android phone will automatically restart. Please wait patiently for the device to reboot. Once the reset process is complete, your phone will restart, and all data will have been erased. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Android phone again. Once setup is finished, open the camera app to check if the issue has been resolved. Method 7. Hardware-related issues. If none of the above solutions work, it is highly likely that the camera freezing issue on your Android phone is caused by a hardware-related problem. Try to recall if your Android device has recently been dropped or exposed to water. If so, the fall may have caused internal hardware damage within the device. You will need to take your phone to an authorized service center so that technicians can further diagnose and repair the issue for you. Finally, we hope that the problems with your Android phone are resolved perfectly and as quickly as possible. That wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please give us a like, share this video, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you resolve your issue. Additionally, if you feel there are areas where we could improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section as well. Thank you. Good luck.